Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson. Who are learning English feels like art, and today we shall be looking at simple future tense. Let's dive in. Simple future tense with will. Form: positive, subject plus will plus bare infinitive. Will contraction is apostrophe LL. Example: my mom will go shopping tomorrow. My mom will go shopping tomorrow. Negative: subject plus will not plus bare infinitive. Will not contractive form is won't. Example: my mom won't go shopping tomorrow. My mom won't go shopping tomorrow. Question: will plus subject plus bare infinitive and followed by a question mark. Example: will your mom go shopping tomorrow? Will your mom go shopping tomorrow? Usages. Number 1, to talk about a prediction. To talk about a prediction. Example: I am sure he'll come late. I am sure he'll come late. 2, to express a spontaneous decision. To express a spontaneous decision. Example: I'll get there by bus. I'll get there by bus. 3, to make an offer or promise. To make an offer or promise. Example: I'll take care of your cat carefully. I'll take care of your cat carefully. Simple future tense with to be, going to. Form: positive, subject plus am slash is slash are plus going to plus bare infinitive. Example: I am going to go to Canada next month. I am going to go to Canada next month. Negative: subject plus am slash is slash are plus not plus going to plus bare infinitive. Example: I am not going to go to Canada next month. I am not going to go to Canada next month. Question: am slash is slash are plus subject plus going to plus bare infinitive followed by a question mark. Example: are you going to go to Canada next month? Are you going to go to Canada next month? Usages. Number 1, to talk about a plan or intention. To talk about a plan or intention. Example: my uncle is going to visit me tomorrow. My uncle is going to visit me tomorrow. Number 2, to talk about a prediction. To talk about a prediction. Example: look, the sky is getting darker. It's going to rain. Look, the sky is getting darker. It's going to rain. Signal words: tomorrow, tomorrow, tonight, tonight, next week, next week, next month, next month, next year, next year, next summer, next summer. So This video ends here about simple future tense. Thanks for watching.